Okay, we are going to talk about end behavior of graphs. So this will kind of correspond to the notebook, kind of not a big deal. So graphs can do all kinds of wonderful things. They can do this, they can do this, they can do this, they can do this, as far as polynomials go. Okay? So that's the first part to understand. So when we start talking about the end behaviors, where are each of those ends heading to? What big number are they heading to? Infinity on both. So the end behavior of this is going to infinity. The end behavior of this is going to infinity. If I took an elevator up to the, kept going up, it keeps going up and up. What about this one? Where's the ends going on this one? Negative. Yeah, you guys are catching up pretty good. So those are going to negative infinity. Okay, what about this one? Where is this going right here? Negative infinity. And where's this one going? Positive infinity. What about this one? Where's this going? Positive infinity. Where's this going? Okay. So as far as right now goes, we're not too concerned about the stuff that's in the middle of the graph. Okay. We're just concerned where the end behavior is going. So it's either going to positive infinity or negative infinity. So if it's pointing upward, it's going to infinity. It's pointing downward, negative infinity. You get one of each. The one that's pointing down goes to negative infinity. The one that's pointing up is going to positive infinity. That seems to make sense. So we're just talking about in the y direction, where is it going? Make sense so far? So then we need to define a few things. So the degree of a polynomial is the highest exponent. It doesn't have to be the very first thing. If something was in standard form, if we had doesn't matter if it doesn't, you don't have all the terms. You look, you find your highest exponent, and you say that's the degree. So this is called a fifth degree polynomial. Okay? Doesn't have to be that way. You could have a problem like this. What's the highest exponent? 4. So this is a fourth degree polynomial. Okay, just because it's not in standard form, it doesn't matter. Question? Or you just stretching? Little Tourette syndrome. Happens. The leading coefficient. The lead coefficient goes there, whereas this would be the lead coefficient here. Okay? So again, if it's not in standard form, going in descending order, it's okay. Your lead coefficient always goes along with the highest exponent. It's the base of it. If there's not a number there, the number before the letter preceding it would be 1. And last thing I have for you, and I'll give you the assignment, or if you need to, a little extra time to finish up that test, because I reviewed too long, so sorry. I guess the other college algebra classes went right into it. Sorry if I let you. College algebra classes don't like to do that code either. Huh? Other college algebra classes. Yeah, but I always go 4 function, because I'm not here to teach you arithmetic. You can't add, subtract, multiply, or divide. And I said no, you calculator, but I'm not taught, so that's why I always go 4 function. So if that's the big turning point of the class, going, hey, it's not fair, they got to use it. Yeah, you got to add, subtract, multiply, and divide calculator. Man, that should have been the dead giveaway. Let's see, other things. Oh, we wanted to say if it's a constant, linear, quadratic, cubic, or quartic. These are all pretty easy. A constant is just a number, no letters. So a constant could be like 7. God bless you. So if we had a problem like y equals 7, it's a constant. It's a horizontal line. Okay? It's just a constant number. Linear would be like if you had y equals 3x plus 2. Okay? Also forms a straight line. Constant and linear kind of go hand in hand because if it is constant, it's just a horizontal line. What they want to know is the constant. If it's just a number, linear means it forms linear. Quadratic means it's squared. Okay, you can do that. Cubic means it's raised to the what power? Third. And it doesn't. You don't have to have all the numbers there. So your highest exponent dictates what it is. And quartic, take a shot. Fourth. So that's everything that you need to know about this first section. So watch how much homework you're going to get. So you have the opportunity to work on it now, get it all done. If you get it all done, that means you don't have to stress about it tonight. So 1 through 8, 11 through 18. That's all I have for you on this first part. I know that most of you are upset about that. Deal with it.